Codex versus Claude. So I know in previous videos I did discuss how they are both great at UI, both great design. However, we're going to be putting this to the test with a quick little prompt, which is going to test both of their capabilities. So this prompt is going to make a nice little HTML website. I'm going to give them both the exact same prompt. I'm going to give them, or not access, but I'm going to give them the link to my YouTube channel. And we're going to see how they both go, how fast they are. They're both in the medium version, Opus 4.7 medium versus 5.5 medium. They both have their own folders, so there's no need for that. It's on the local C drive, so it's going to be super quick. We're going to see which one's faster and how both of them look. And you're going to see the comparison, right? So I just updated Codex as well. I know they just had a new update, so we'll see how that turns out too. But let's see how this goes. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom. All right. So they're already off to the race. I've been using Claude for a lot of my design and Codex for more of the actual like dirty work, I guess you could say, just going in, SEO, stuff like that. For creativity, I do like Claude a little more. Codex, I find, like I mentioned in the previous video as well, is a little more defined in terms of its goals, in terms of its, you know, it's more, it works within the quotation marks, whereas Claude reads the whole kind of prompt and goes out, like, thinks outside the box, you could say, in a way. So we'll see how this ends up. But so far, we can see that Codex is going in. It's saying it's already changed some stuff. Files changed. Whereas with this, let's see. Still nothing. It's just saying creating. It's not giving us any information, just using tokens. We're already at 2.2K tokens. And then let's see how many tokens we're at for Codex, but it's not too crazy. So let's check back in a few minutes and see if there's any updates. So we were at the 3-minute mark, and Codex has used so far 8% of the 5-hour limit, and Claude has used 1%. So we'll see how this is going to end up. I'm not too sure. And so far, Claude has used 10,000 tokens. No check here. Let's see. No, nothing still yet. So, all right. Well, that was quick. Just as soon as I ended that, we can see here Claude out of nowhere just built the whole entire dashboard, and boom, Claude is done. We can see highlights, live chart, workflow. All right, let's see what Claude's got going for us. Boom, just like that. Okay, wow. This is a pretty interesting website. So real-time API usage and token count. Welcome back, creators. Stromatic Labs. So this was... Okay, official channel. Okay, boom. All right, so yeah. All right, local host. That's fine. New workflow, refresh, hours automated, API tokens today, subscribers, 184,000, total views. Interesting. This almost looks like a Solana kind of thing. None of the tabs on the side work. That's fine, whatever. The search. Let's see. How happens if I do a search? Nothing. When I click this, nothing. New workflow. Okay, so we have something down here. Let's see. Build a generate. Okay, so wow, it's got very interesting top 5 tools for indie devs. Yeah, it's got some interesting dynamic aspects. That's pretty cool. Codex still running, verifying the dashboard, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so far Claude's up here. Let's see when I refresh this. New numbers every time. 853, 856. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Codex is now done theirs. All right, we're going to open this and see how it ends up. Okay, so now we have Codex's version open here, and you can see this. So automations, it moves with the tabs on the side. Visit YouTube. Wow, okay, so it actually brings me to my YouTube channel. Let's check this. Okay, so same with these. On the actual Brave browser, it does let me. That's interesting. Okay, so they both have the same kind of theme in a way. I'm not too sure which one I like more. I do like how the tabs on this side work. Subscribers and all the accounts are different. Hours automated. Okay, but yeah, the new workflow. Open channel. Okay, so wow, it's really like it promoting my channel. That's pretty cool. Automation, analytics, settings. Yeah, okay, so let's see. Build. Okay, so this one actually does it as well. So build me a pool, topic intelligence, automation agent, scripts, publish ops. This comes out with the tab. This one's all kind of integrated as well. So it's like I said, it's, you know, so like I mentioned previously, like even this little design right here with those little arrows. See, like it's not as dynamic here. Like we have this dynamic sense, but when I go with this, I don't know. It's like I said, I feel like each has their benefits in a way. I don't know. Which one do you guys like more? I I like aspects of both, like the glow on here, the background here. This one's a little more subtle. We got this. It is what it is. This also, like the little optimization here, like these little favicons could have been a little bit bigger. These little icons here. Whereas, you know, Claude just used little colors. So I don't know. Honestly, it's not too bad. Personally, for how fast they did it, it's not bad at all. That uses also 12% of the daily usage for Codex. Let's see how much you used for Claude. For Claude, we use 10% of the daily usage. So, yeah, take with that info what you want. I know both do have different limits right now. This looks pretty good. Overall, I don't know. You guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Which ones you guys prefer. I mean, I think they're both, like I said, really cool. I like how Codex is, you know, promoting that channel a little more, but that's besides the point. Yeah, new workflow. And the tabs don't work, like I said. But that's pretty, honestly, pretty cool. If there are any other tests that you want me to do, let me know in the comments below as well. I'd definitely be happy to try those out. But overall, pretty good competitors. Like I said, they both understood the assignment. But I don't know. Do you guys think one understood the assignment a little better or more? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, it's been Stromatic. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.